CFCTV report agenda of the day: Goldman Sachs FCPA offenses, European medicine regulatory on Covid-19 outbreaks, American Bankers Association on KYC rules, BFSI new requirements to be supported by video-KYC. The cloud battle is on for IBM, Pileus for cloud cost cutting, AMF and crypto asset classification. Goldman Sachs ex-exec charged with FCPA offenses. Yesterday, the SEC announced the filing of a civil complaint charging Asante Barco with Foreign Corrupt Practices Act violations and other charges for orchestrating a bribery scheme to help a client to win a government contract of build and operate an electrical plant in Ghana. The Turkish energy company would appear to be Axas Energy. To notice, SEC alleged that the holding company, that is Goldman Sachs, violated the FCPA's anti-bribery provision. However, the SEC noticed that the Goldman Sachs is not being charged according to due diligence efforts. The European Commission and the European Medicine Regulatory Network have developed a question and answers document to provide guidance to stakeholders to address challenges arising from the COVID-19 pandemic, with a particular focus on crucial medicines for use in COVID-19 patients. The document explains some regulatory flexibility that can be applied to help pharmaceuticals companies cope with the consequences of the pandemic, while ensuring a high level of quality, safety, and efficiency for medical products made available to patients in the EU. ABA CEO said in a letter to senators that temporary adjustment to know your customers and anti-money laundering requirements are key to speed up the rate of which banks are able to provide much-needed relief to small businesses through the SBA's Paycheck Protection Program. Nichols emphasized that the current KYC-ML framework has required many banks to limit the application process of their existing customers. Covid-19 forcing BFSIs for video-KYC, new demands from online EDU, matrimony and crypto sectors. Even as social and physical distancing is becoming a new normal with the ongoing COVID-19 crisis and nationwide lockdown, companies are ensuring the business's continuity is maintained. Apart from the financial services and banking sector, some new areas have emerged as a business opportunity for players providing digital customers verification. Online education, matrimonial company, gaming, crypto exchange are some of the sectors that have witnessed a surge in demand for digital KYC. How IBM's new CEO plans to beat Microsoft, Amazon, and Google in the cloud. While IBM's way behind its big cloud rivals in growth rates and per-save status, it can beat bigger and better positioned cloud rivals Microsoft, Amazon, and Google by winning the architectural wars, says the new IBM CEO Arvind Krishna. In a recent interview with CNBC's John Fraud, Krishna made the case that the deep tech trio of Linux, containers, and Kubernetes position IBM for a victory in the cloud wars against its much larger, faster-growing competitors. Highlighting the range of cloud technology IBM requires in its $33 billion acquisition of Red Hat, Krishna said, as people embark on the transformation to cloud, there is going to be an architectural war, and in that war, we believe the winning architecture is going to be Linux, containers, and Kubernetes, which is part of the Red Hat's portfolio. Pileus helps businesses cut their cloud spend. Israel-based Pileus, which was officially launching this week, aims to help businesses keep their cloud spend under control. The company also today announced that it has raised a $1 million seed round from private angel investors. Using machine learning, the company's platform continuously learns about how a user typically uses a given cloud and then provides focused and daily personalized recommendations to help them to stay within the budget. Pileus currently supports AWS, with support from Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure coming soon. The IBM, French Markets Authority, considered a precise classification of crypto assets premature. The French regulator has released its response and proposal as part of the European debates on digital finance. The IBM therefore recommends an initial classification of crypto assets and supports the creation of a digital labs for experimentation. The European Commission is currently working on a strategy to promote digital finance in Europe. In this context, a public consultation has been opened. The authorities support an ambitious approach to promote the development of blockchain projects at European level, but remind that to develop digital finance, a strict classification of crypto assets is not the priority. That was for this week episode of the SafeC Weekly Report. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be informed of all the news, and don't forget to go on SafeC.com.